Apple rejected us, and our entire launch has been delayed because of it. Sometimes in business, things go as planned, but most of the time you're faced with delays and you just gotta roll with it. We're building the next TikTok for travel called Doozy, and we have spent 6 months building it with our team. We want to create the next biggest travel platform that's built for creators, not on top of them. By this, we mean we want to give travel creators more opportunities than any other platform out there. Yes, brand partnerships and paid trips, but we are dreaming bigger and have plans to make creators part owners in our platform. So that's Doozy in a nutshell, but back to Apple. In order to get into the App Store, you have to apply, and they were giving us a hard time. We had to prove we were employees of the company, but we're the owners, and then they wanted a stamped corporation document that doesn't exist. On top of all of this, it was December, which is the slowest month ever to get anything done. It took 8 phone calls, 9 emails, and a bit of playing the "we're a small business, please help us" card, but we finally got approved. So for everyone who's asking, Doozy is coming very, very soon to both Apple and Android. Let's do this.